When a new market decides they want to try mass timber, their first question is, who do we have that can do it? You know, if this is an exterior wall and it's non-exposed, then you would have interior build-out.
The attendees in the class right now are carpenters that are interested in what we're doing.
And then our beam is going to have to slip over this.
They want to learn and train on what's coming up so that they're prepared. So if there's a large demand for a couple buildings downtown, our members are capable of starting the project like right now.
This is a mass timber mock-up at the training center down here in Illinois.
So what number posts do we have here?
We couldn't find a mass timber provider that would be able to supply us with the materials to do a building. And Woodworks was gracious enough to partner with us and get one of the manufacturers to engineer and build the building that we had designed to be done in our shop. We designed the building so that they run across every possible connection that they might run across in a full-scale building. So we have large posts, short posts, we have the CLT stairs, we have a two-deck system, so they have different practice setting the deck panels.
We try to expose the guys to as many different situations in one 25 by 25 foot mock-up as they might find in the field.
Get the holes lined up.
The thought of the training is get them used to handling the material, rigging the material, see how it handles with the crane, how do things go together, proper means and methods.
Everything is CAD drawn and CNC engineered before the mechanical trades get out there, which is where a lot of times our conventional construction jobs bog down.
You're looking at more time up front with the design. Everyone is part of that process, sitting at the table, architect, engineer, installer, designer, GC, whether it's a GC whose carpenters are self-performing the work or it's a carpenter subcontractor installer. They all need to be a part of that process up front and early. A lot of the steps taken to install mass timber are no different than any other panelized construction. Modular, panelized, that's nothing new. This is like a panel job exponentially larger.
It's been estimated as being roughly about the same cost as steel and concrete. The savings is the labor.
When those panels come out, everything is already engineered and CNC routed for all of those mechanical openings. So while a little bit more expensive on the front end, you're going to make all of that up plus some in the speed of construction.
Because on a mass timber job, it goes together extremely fast.
It's kind of unique. It is both your framing and structure and your finished element all in the same piece.
Here, for our flooring, rather than like a concrete deck, we're using, say, 7, 9 layers of 2x. So with us having a floor already made and we're just dropping it into place, fastening it, now the floors below can start work faster.
Water mitigation is really the big new thing because you're putting up what looks like shoring, but it's also finished product and structure. Since it goes together quicker than concrete or steel, we can start bringing up the exterior curtain, the envelope, get that going.
We've been here an hour and, you know, I believe this is the first time a lot of people in the room have ever seen it, you know, and it flies together.
Everybody wants part of something new. So as this training continues and we continue to share this material out to the other training centers throughout North America, Woodworks, they're going to keep a database of qualified installers.
We developed this program because we see what's coming.
Hopefully we're able to take some of this new information and training back to our membership.
It really takes our scope of work kind of to the next level of projects.
At 85.4 meters high, Mia Storna in Brumunddal, Norway is now the world's tallest mass timber building.